There cannot be any criminal sanctions for challenging the law itself. If one wants to make a constitutional application to say that the laws that we have ratified here today are unconstitutional, well, then the court will decide that. If you don't make that challenge, but you attempt to do what the acts criminalize, then you will have to suffer the penalties that the acts articulate in them.
Okay, but how would you attempt to do it?
Attempt to do what?
To attach the reserves.
Who would attempt to? Well, they would have to decide how they want to do it. Say, for example, then, there's a move on the reserves of the central bank. A mere attempt to do that, such as the filing of papers, such as a board resolution, such as any move by any member of that company or any move by any person who is a Belizean to go after central bank assets, then that person immediately commits an offense by the mere attempt to attach the assets. Now, the other act is fairly simple. If you go all the way to the CCJ and you win a judgment against the government of Belize, and you attempt to attach government assets, that's fine because you have won. But if you've lost, and the CCJ has said, for example, that that arbitration or that foreign award is no good because it's founded on illegality, and then you still nevertheless try to attach Crown assets after our highest courts have said that your entire agreement was illegal, then that's just clear mischief and you want to do something that you're not allowed to do. And the mere attempt to do that is also an offense. British Caribbean Bank is a Belizean company.
Okay, registered here.
Yeah, they're registered in Belize. The only company that is the shadiest of them all is Belize Social Development, but we cannot find any registration for them here in Belize as yet. We are told that they are registered somewhere in the BVI, but other than that, we cannot find them so we can determine who are the directors, who are the members of that company, and also because there were several agreements that would be necessary for them to prove how come arbitration awards were given for them that we cannot locate and they refuse to turn over. So that is a challenge. BSDL will be a challenge because it's not a Belizean company. However, if it contains Belizean directors or Belizean advisors, then we know then that we can, for a lack of a better term, attach them for any actions that they want to take.